Welcome to LynxPDF, your professional, secure, and efficient PDF solution made for modern teams. In this video, we'll show you how to use the page editing and managing feature to make your files organized. Start by opening LynxPDF and then click Open PDF in the upper left corner. In the pop-up window, choose the file you want to work on and click Open. Or, you can simply drag and drop your PDF into LynxPDF. Now, click the Page tab in the top toolbar. Here, you'll find a wide range of tools for editing and organizing pages, including Insert, Extract, Replace, Split, Reverse, Rotate, and Delete. Let's go through them one by one. First, let's look at Insert. You can choose to insert another PDF into your current document. After selecting a file, a settings window will appear where you can specify the page range to insert and decide where to place it. For example, before the first page, after the last page, or before or after a specific page. Once you're ready, click Insert in the bottom right corner to complete the action. You can also insert a blank page. Simply set the page size, orientation, and the position where you want it to appear. Then click Insert. In addition, LynxPDF lets you insert content directly from your clipboard, or even from a connected scanner, and add it as a new page in your PDF. Next, let's look at Extract. You can manually select one or more pages. On Mac, hold down Shift or Command to select multiple pages, and on Windows, use Shift or Ctrl. You can also quickly choose predefined options such as extracting all odd pages or even pages. Once you've made your selection, click Extract. A pop-up window will appear, where you can decide to save each page as a separate file, or delete the extracted pages from the original document. Confirm your settings, click Extract, choose a location to save, and you're done. Now, let's move on to Replace. Simply select the page or pages you want to replace, then click Replace. Choose the PDF file from your computer that you want to use. Click Open, and LynxPDF will swap out the selected pages with all the pages in the chosen file. Next is Split. Select the pages you want to split and click Split. In the pop-up window, you'll see different split methods. By default, the option is split by page range, which means the selected pages will be saved as one PDF, and the remaining pages will be saved as another PDF. You can also choose split by every n pages. For example, if you set it to 2, every 2 pages will become a separate PDF. Another option is split evenly into n files. For instance, if you split into 3, the document will be divided into 3 PDFs. Each PDF has equal pages. Finally, you can also customize the file names of your output files. Once everything is set, click Split, choose where to save, and click Open to complete the process. Next is Reverse. Select 2 or more pages and click Reverse. LynxPDF will instantly flip the order of the selected pages. And if you'd like to adjust the page order manually, you can simply drag and drop one or multiple selected pages into the position you want. Now let's look at Rotate. Select 1 or more pages, then click the Rotate icon to rotate them with a single click. Finally, to delete pages, just select the pages you don't need and click the trash bin icon. The selected pages will be removed right away. That's it for page tools. With LynxPDF, managing your documents doesn't have to be complicated, just smart and seamless. Give it a try, and we'll see you in the next video.